Hey guys, coming in with an interesting video here. I've got what we're going to call a lawn salad because I picked all this stuff out of my yard here. I don't actually have a lawn because, I believe in native biodiversity and whatnot rather than monoculture grass. Anyway, enough politics. We got a burdock leaf. We got some dandelion flowers. We got a cat that's trying to knock the stuff off here. We've got this plant here. This is called garlic mustard. These are the leaves. Those are pretty powerful in flavor. That'll take the bitterness out of the burdock. We got some dandelion flowers to sprinkle up in there. We got some open ones. We got some closed ones. We've got some trout lilies here. Trout lilies are nice and tasty. That's a good trail snack. And here we've got some more mustard garlic. These are some of the flowers. I picked these all off of different plants, by the way, as not to hurt them. And I got, dropped one. Whoops. I'm going to still eat it. Leeks. And we're going to set that on there, just like that. And I wish I had my tripod. Let's roll this up. Just like so. We'll get the stem in there as well. Alright. Let's switch it around here. We got our wrap here with our leeks and flowers. That is what you call a lawn salad wrap. That burdock is bitter. It's good for your liver though. There's a bite of dandelion. But yeah, that's a lawn salad, guys. Let me know what you put in your lawn salads. Also, I don't spray my lawn with like anything weird or anything. I'm like out in woods, This is about as clean and eating as it gets. You want a bite? Yeah, have a bite. You want it on camera or no? No? Okay. Alright. Lawn sandwich. Peace, guys. Let me know what you put in yours. I wish I could make it more impressive, but it's not that much in season right now. Maybe next month. We'll see what June's lawn salad looks like.